Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I got a brand new bulk lot brought right to my front door. It's got some clothing items in it. I want to check it out and tell you why I bought clothing this time. Okay, so what we have in this box, it's a women's apparel and men's apparel. It's got Harry Potter, Goodfellow and Company, BioWorld. Original retail was $700. There's 26 items in this case. It cost me $104, and then when you add on shipping and all that stuff, everything averages out to be about $3.84 an item. I bought this in a set of 3, but this one is brand new clothing, so we're going to break into it. Part of the way that I look for things is I usually am looking for one particular item that I know I can make my money up on, and then everything else is gravy. I'm going to cross in front here and get the other side. And so the one thing I was looking for is what is the condition of the Harry Potter robes in this. I looked it up on Amazon. They're going for about $50 on Amazon, but I also looked it up on Poshmark because there's no sales ranking on Amazon for them, so I know they're brand new. Poshmark, they're going for about 50 bucks. So, or $30, sorry, excuse me. Poshmark, they're going for about $30. So I kind of took into consideration the Poshmark price just in case I can't get these to go. But here they are, the robes. So it says H. Potter on the back, and it's got a hood, and they're large, extra large. It's got the Gryffindor symbol on them, and new with tags. So I'm really excited about these. They say that they sold for 30 bucks at the store, so I'm kind of taking into consideration that. So there's one of the large, extra large size. So this is the real reason I bought this box. This one is also a large, extra large, good condition, still has tags on it. There's 2. These are fun. And so take into consideration, these are heavy duty robes, but people are going to buy them and take them to Disney World, cosplay, all sorts of different situations you can sell these. So there's 3 of them so far. I'm just checking to make sure they're all large, extra large. They are. Here's number 4. Beautiful condition. Love it, love it, love it. Here's number 5. Let's see what else. I couldn't remember exactly how many were in this one. Here's the 6th one. And so I will probably, if I send them into Amazon, I may just send a couple because I don't know how fast they're going to go. Am I on 6 or 7? 6? 7? 7. And so I will send a couple in at a time. And then if they move, I'll just quickly send in more. Here's 8. And they're, oh, here's a small medium. So this one is a different size. 9. So that may be an issue if I don't find that. Here's another small medium. 10. That may be an issue if I don't find that size on Amazon. I may have to put it on Poshmark simply because they don't carry that size. But there's 11. And I know I can make money on these. These are fantastic. This is a large, extra large again. 12. And that is it for the Harry Potter robes. So as you can see, great condition. I'm super excited about those. Then we've got some other stuff in here. We've got a brand new Spider-Man costume, PJ type setup. It says Union Suit, extra large. It's the whole thing with the hood. And so these are fantastic. If I can't sell them on Amazon, I can definitely sell them for a cosplay type situation for Poshmark. And I want you to check out my Poshmark store. I got tons of stuff on there. Various Goodfellows and Company. This is a plaid, size small. This one looks like a women's, I believe. Well, size small. Railroad Gray is what it's called. So I'll have to check and make sure it's women's or men's. I think it's a women's, the way it's cut. Here is another one, size small, same shirt. So this is going to be awesome because I make one listing and just put the quantity and different sizes if it's the same item. So this one is also a size small, same exact thing, all brand new with tags. Super excited about that. So this is going to be really easy to list all this stuff. Okay, I think that's it for those plaid ones. Ooh, here's a nice microfiber Duro Dry Champion shirt. This is a polo, so this would definitely be men's. It's a gray, but it's really nice, soft microfiber moisture wicking. Let's see what we got. This is a fun pair of shorts. Looks like swim trunks, size medium, black and floral tropical with cats on them. Kitty cats, anyone? It's a random design, but those are cute. So, tropical vacation. Here is a corduroy, Goodfellow, size large, corduroy shirt. It's a brown, really nice, new with tags. Here's a sweater. A lot of people don't think you can sell sweaters right now. Goodfellow, size small with tags, brand new, a really pretty burgundy and gray, but you can sell sweaters right now because you can't find them in the stores. And so a lot of people, if they're going to colder climates or traveling overseas, they'll want some warmer new clothes, and you have the item they want. Here's another Goodfellow and Company. This is a size small. It's a button-up shirt. It looks like it's a blue or green. I'll have to kind of put it in better light to kind of tell, but really, really nice condition. It is wrinkled, but I can take the wrinkles out very easily before I take those photos. Here's another Goodfellow and Company. This is a navy blue, kind of a dark blue in color. Same stylish shirt, just a different color. And here's another, looks like this one is the greenish color. Greenish, it's almost a bluish greenish, so it's kind of hard to tell. Same thing as the one right before the one I showed you. And here's another Goodfellows and Company, size small. And that's exactly the same as the one I just showed you a second ago. So we have 3 shirts that are all the same color, and then one that's navy blue. And then we have another plaid one, Goodfellow and Company, size small. This has a plaid blue and brown kind of checked, all brand new with tags. Everything is brand new, has tags on it, which I'm really excited about. Some brand new come without tags, but everything has its tags in very good condition. I'm super excited about it. So bought it for the Harry Potter robes. Really pleased to see the condition in that. I'm going to make sure I polybag everything, whether I put it on Poshmark or whether I put it on Amazon. It's going to be polybagged so it doesn't get destroyed being stored in the warehouse. So really good pieces. I love it. Going to make some money on those Harry Potter robes. And check out my Poshmark site or my Amazon site or my eBay site and see if you can find anything that you like. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.